How to make a successful deposit into your Bamboo app or into your Bamboo wallet for what? For taking stocks, Nigerian stock or American stock. If you don't know how to do that, just stick to this video from very start to the end so you can actually learn how to deposit successfully into your Bamboo wallet or your Bamboo app. Your Bamboo app, tap on your Bamboo to open your Bamboo account. So once your Bamboo has opened, then all you need to do is just to put your password. So once you put your password, this is how this stuff will actually look like. So once you are into this place, next thing you need to do is to tap on this place that says here, look at this place, you can tap here on this your Naira wallet or tap on add money, but I always tap on this my Naira wallet. Then once you tap on your Naira wallet, this will come up. Then you tap on this option that says deposit. So once you tap on deposit, you put the amount you want to deposit. Now as you can see, their exchange is 1,404 naira per dollar. So here, if you are putting 5k, you have to put the Nigerian amount here. Do you understand? And automatically you will see the conversion in dollar. So I will be depositing how much? Let me use 5k here. So once you click on 5k, don't forget the minimum deposit you can do is 5k, and that's what you can start with. Like the lowest investment amount you can start up with in this Bamboo is 5k. So I will advise you to do like 6,000. So if you do 6,000, they will take their charge. Or you do 5,500, they will take their charge. Then you click on deposit. Then here you have to select the method you want to use, this or this, but we always advise you to use the first method that says direct bank transfer. This is the easiest one to do. So once you tap on it, the next thing you need to do now is to copy this password, to copy this account number, and then look at the bank account here, Sterling Bank. You see that? So once you have this stuff now, then you can now deposit into this account, and automatically it will reflect on your Bamboo account. Now this is the charge, 100 to 150. So let me go further and make my deposit into my wallet, guys. So first I'm going to copy this, which I have copied this stuff. Then I'm going to head over to my money point. So I'll be using my money point to make my deposit, guys. So as you can see now, immediately I inserted my this thing, automatically it has come up here because I've made deposit to this particular account before. But for me to confirm this, I have to check it. This is Sterling Bank and this is Sterling Bank. So I'm going to click on this and then click on confirm. Then I'm going to put the same amount I want to deposit, which is 5,500. Then after that, you wait a minute for this stuff to calculate. Then after that, you click on continue, then click on pay. Then you put in what your PIN. Then boom, automatically the transfer will be made into what? Into your account. As you can see, I've made my deposit. So what I'm going to do is to come back to Bamboo app and confirm if the money has actually been sent. So as you can see, Bamboo has actually sent a notification to me, which is this. So as you can see, 5,400 has been settled. Happy investing. So this money automatically is now into my Bamboo account. So all I need to do is to come back and confirm if the money has actually reflected here, guys. So here I am into this place, and as you can see, the money has reflected. That is why you have said $3.84, which is 5,500 converted to dollar is $3.84. Then coming to my Naira wallet, you are going to see the money here. You see that? So this is just how to make your deposits inside your Bamboo account, guys. Thank you so much, and stay tuned because my next tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to invest in this particular Bamboo account. Bye bye for now, guys.